I think the only part that I'm unsure of is the keeping the right timing with the back and forth.
Good. Let's do this. You guys can copy me and you guys can copy Mimi. So I will do it with my right leg and Mimi is going to do it with her left leg. So when we are next to each other, we both step forward like in mirror like this and backward like this. Which is another pattern. We could be doing this one. We call this Americana. In Argentina they call this Americana. The timing will be tango, 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 tango.
So if it comes from the one is the right, or shift way to right, and then 2 left, is the 3 the stepping forward with your right, and then it's 4 stepping back with your right?
Yes. The way, because we use the expression tango. Tang will be the downbeat and go the upbeat. If we use numbers, usually the numbers are the downbeats. So if we can say 1, 2. So and is in between, like Mimi said. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. That's why we do it in this way, because the step has to be in the downbeat. When we continue walking, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. We continue with the sequence of down, up, that is a basic sequence of tango. One more thing to keep in mind, this is a little bit more elaboration on the music. Of course, for example, I learned to play the guitar. And you read the music sheet, it plays kind of a square. But a musician with more experience will play with a phrasing. That means that you can 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. You can make some steps slower. It doesn't mean to do whatever, it means that you make a longer note. Still the longer notes are proportional to the down, up, down, up. So that's for you to know eventually how we are going to move. So in some moment you feel you lost the beat, doesn't matter. You close, you change weight, listen to the music. Okay, that's a beat, you start to move. So in that sense, maybe all of you saw the movie. Mimi will say the name in English better than me.
Oh, Scent of a Woman?
Scent of a
Woman, in case you've seen it.
If you say Al Pacino tells his partner that tango has no mistakes, it's true. The rest, the way they dance is not tango, but that is absolutely true tango. Tango has no mistakes.
It's true, and especially when it comes to figuring out if one of us feels like we've lost the music for a second, or maybe I'm listening but I feel like I missed some signal, because that happens, right? We're not telling each other what to do verbally, right? We're listening to each other's bodies. So sometimes wires get crossed, but it's no one's fault. We're on the same team. It's our goal to have a lovely dance experience together. We're going to show the box step one more time. Marcelo is always moving in a forward direction, even if he is moving to the side sometimes, right? So maybe it comes out looking like a diagonal. From the follower's perspective, having that side step and bringing the feet together is very important to feeling like we are pausing, yes? So that helps us know that we're going to stop. If we have the sensation that we continue walking backwards, we might just keep going if we don't get that sensation, right? So that's kind of an important feeling of bringing it together. So let's show it one more time, yes?
2, 3, down, go, close. 1, 2, 3, Tango, close.
Also, I will say that sometimes when you're first learning to walk backwards as a follower, it can feel difficult to make the right space for your leader. Now, maybe it seems like my legs are longer than Marcelo's, but he can take a much longer step than I can. So, just to think as well about giving each other the space that you need, yes? And
Good.
thank you so much. We are so excited to have this international group. We have folks from India, from Australia, from all over the United States, so it's great.
Thank you very much.